is about programs on estimation. The task is to estimate the parameters features using maximum likelihood method and Gaussian distribution and maximum posterior estimation. So there are 5 programs in this. By maximum likelihood estimation, we have the function Gaussian ML estimate to find the mean value, sum of all the data points divided by the total number of data points. Standard deviation, sum of x minus mean into x minus mean whole inverse divided by the total number of data points. Normal, mean and standard deviation we have found, and that's given to MP and SP outputs. Save the function with the function name. The second program will be MLE for dataset without class label. So we'll go to the console and the main program here. So this one is ML estimate. So we have computed the mean value and the standard deviation value and given to the output. We just need to execute it. The program is saved with the function name. And then by maximum likelihood, we are going to display the value mean standard deviation which we have computed. So mean value m is 2 minus 2 whole complement and standard deviation value given. Generate a random data set, plot the data set with dot and red color. Title of the plot is data set, and mean value and standard deviation value is computed from the previous program function and display the values. So we get this value and the console will give us the value for mean and standard deviation display. And then the third program is MLE for dataset with class label. So now we are including a class label. Mean standard deviation data given, number of data sets is 1000. Generate a random data set. By the outputs will be 1 and minus 1. And the class lambda. So if y is equal to 1, we do the class for data 1, data 2, class 2 and class 3. So it is a 3 class problem, and display the mean and standard deviation by this method. The formula is 1 by 3 into the values s hat s1 plus s2 plus s3 and the outputs of all the 3 classes, and display the values. So when we run the program, we get the values displayed in the console here. The mean and standard deviations computed individually. And then Bayesian, Gaussian Bayesian estimate. So now again this is a function. It computes the mean and standard deviation normally, and the MP value is NS for 0, and then plus standard deviation, plus and minus standard deviation is 10, and standard deviation is given back as output. So we just need to run the program, and for posterior estimate we call that Bayesian